You are working with Azure Pipelines to automate the build and testing processes for a React.js application. Your current setup involves a single job, and you have observed that the npm install step consistently takes 5 minutes to complete in every pipeline run. You are looking for a way to reduce the total duration of the pipeline. The proposed solution is to implement pipeline caching. Does this approach achieve the stated goal? The options are option A, yes, or option B, no.
To understand this, let us consider what happens during the dependency installation phase. Typically, a pipeline needs to fetch libraries and packages from an external registry every time it runs. This involves network requests, package resolution, and the actual installation process. When we discuss optimizing build times in continuous integration, we are often looking for ways to reuse previous work rather than performing identical tasks from scratch.
In my view, the correct answer is option A, yes. Implementing pipeline caching is a highly effective strategy for reducing the time spent on package installation. By caching directories like node modules between pipeline runs, the system avoids the need to repeatedly download and install the same dependencies from the npm registry.
This method significantly decreases the overall execution time by effectively skipping redundant network requests and package resolution steps. You simply add the cache task to your YAML configuration and specify your lock files as keys. As an exam tip, remember that caching is specifically designed to persist data between runs, making it an ideal candidate for scenarios involving heavy package dependencies.